How are you? So today I want to go a bit into the introduction of AI or artificial intelligence so that we can demystify it and go through some of the misconceptions that you may be having about artificial intelligence. Remember, I told you that instead of running, you can set yourself up for success through artificial intelligence. Now, let's look at what artificial intelligence really is. Now, AI is a broad concept. It covers a really wide field. But basically, it refers to machines or systems that mimic human intelligence. It is also important to note that AI is not magic. It's rather the application of computing power to solve problems in a way that previously required human intelligence alone. So, the main goal of AI is to create systems that can perform tasks like the following. Tasks that recognize patterns, solving problems, and learning from experience. That means when they have experienced something, they can be able to predict the next move. Just like you teach a child how to stand and they begin to walk. Or you might teach a child how to walk and on their own, they will begin to run without teaching them how to run. So that's the kind of concept that AI is built on. Okay, now you might be wondering what types of AI are, and I want to show you the breakdown of the type of AI that we have. The creators of AI envisioned a wide range of it. We have narrow AI, or what is also regarded to as weak AI. We have general AI as a concept, and we have super AI also as a concept. Now, narrow AI are systems that are highly specialized in the tasks that they do. For instance, AI used on Google Maps to find the direction and the state of traffic on a road cannot give you information on law because it is specifically trained on maps. That's narrow. ChatGPT that you use on text and maybe on images, for instance, cannot be able to drive cars because it is specifically done to deal with text and images. That is narrow or weak AI. General AI is a concept, as I said. It's hypothetical. The creators of AI and the developers that continue to develop AI further have in mind that there shall come a day when a single tool will perform multiple unrelated tasks. Just like a human being can. A human being will clean the house. Then the same human being will sit on the computer and write a report. The same human being will step out and drive a car. That same human being will go to the hospital and perform an operation. So, that is the same concept that the AI developers have in mind. That there shall come a time when a single system can do multiple unrelated tasks almost like a human being, or even exactly like a human being. And they even go further to imagine a future where we will have super AI. That it means that by that time, machines will be more intelligent than any human being. Imagine that. Would you want a machine that is more intelligent than you? Think about it. We pride ourselves to be on the top of the food chain purely because of our cognitive abilities. But if there was a creature by any shape that lived on earth among us but was higher above us in strategy, in thinking, in strength, then maybe we would understand how a cow or a goat feels when someone else is on the top of the food chain. I'm not sure we would really be comfortable having systems that think on their own, plan on their own, take action on their own, but they are more wiser, more intelligent than human beings. But it's a wait and see situation. Now, the field of AI should not be confused with automation. It is true that inside the broader AI there is automation, but automation is not synonymous to AI. Well, automation was there. Automatic machines and systems have been there for a long time, even before AI was developed to the levels that it is now. For example, lifts going up and down and stopping on each and every floor, that is automation. They don't require AI to do that. Robotic arms that solder cars or machinery in the assembly line, that is automation, but not necessarily AI. A door that opens in the presence of an object or a human being, that is automation, but it's not necessarily artificial intelligence. Then there is artificial intelligence driven automation. That's quite a different thing. So please do not confuse these two concepts. So automation is all about pre-programming. Automation in its basics, the way we have known it. Machines are programmed with rules. But for AI, we say AI systems learn. They are trained, not programmed. So pre-programmed machine cannot do beyond what they are programmed to do. They are hard-coded. But AI systems are trained so that they can predict the next action, even though they were never programmed or taught on that particular action. Just like I told you, the analogy of a child, you may teach a child to walk, but they will learn how to run on their own. Okay. So there is no limit at how far AI machines can learn. But the automated machines through pre-programming are limited to only what has been fed in the program, because they are no longer learning from their environment. So, AI enables machines and systems to improve over time by analyzing data. This is what powers tools like recommendation tools that detect fraud, personalized ads that you see on your social media platforms. They are AI driven. They are able to learn your behavior without being necessarily programmed to do it. They are shown one thing, but they are able to do much more than what was initially taught to them. You got that? I hope it's clear on you. Now, within AI, the system designed to imitate, to simulate, to mimic human thinking. The machines are taught. That's called machine learning. They start without knowledge, okay? Then they are fed with knowledge, and they become intelligent beyond the knowledge that they were initially fed. And within that AI, we also have what we call generative AI. Generative AI are the tools that we use to create text, like ChatGPT, which we call large language models, LLM, to create text, like Dell, for instance, okay, to understand human language, what we call NLP, natural language processors. So we use Gen AI or generative AI to produce content, and content can range, as I said, from text, from audio, to video, okay, to images, and on and on and on. And these tools are being created every day. I will end this session with the common misconceptions about AI. Now, what misconceptions have you heard about AI? Would you put some of them on the comment section? What are the outrageous phrases you've heard about AI? What do people say in your circles that AI will do, and you cannot quite wrap your mind about it? These are what I am referring to as myths. We are going to explore some of these myths and misconceptions, and we are going to weigh some of them and find if they are valid or if they are wanting. We are going to explore what exactly AI can do and what AI cannot do, and even what it can do, but at this time it cannot do it as well as humans can. And that is where I'm going to start our next session. So please reflect on what I've just said. We have defined AI in the introduction. We have also talked about divisions of AI as narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. We have also mentioned that narrow AI, which is also referred to as weak AI, are systems specifically designed to do very particular and specific tasks. And that is what all that we have today. We have also said that general AI is an hypothesis. It is a what if. Probably, developers hope that it will be there in future. And this is a single system that can be able to do multiple, even unrelated tasks, just like a human being can. I give you a few examples. Then we have conceptualized super AI, that someday systems and machines that are AI enabled could become even more intelligent than human beings themselves. They can work better, more efficiently than a human brain, like combining 1,000 Einsteins into one system. Okay. Then we have also talked about machine learning and automation. Those concepts too should not be confused. Then lastly, and that is where we will begin with, we will look at common misconceptions about AI. And I have asked you to list down or on the comment section what you have heard, the outrageous things people are saying, of what AI could be and what AI could do and what it would do to people and what will happen when AI is all over among us. Remember, we are not hoping to use AI. We are not hoping to discover AI. AI is here with us already. So, don't miss the next session. We are going to look at even more interesting things and dig deeper towards what AI is and what it can do for you, and also what it may not do for you. What do you expect AI to do for you? At work, at home, in school. Thank you for listening to me today. I hope we will continue having a great time. Goodbye until next time.